So I got some new wipers for my car, and they're by a company called Wenyant. They are all season, so this is how they came in, this baggie. So I just cut the side, and they are kind of compressed in there. And these are the 21 and 26 inch blades. So they have different sizes, practically any car, make, model, so yeah. So we do have some protectors over the blades. There's a little piece of plastic that slides over. And yeah, it looks pretty good, pretty typical blade here. Feels pretty high quality, and we got a spring action. The main connector is plastic, but we do have a metal pin, which is great. And so these are going to be for the Audi here. So they're pretty similar of what I got. So it should be as simple as pushing this button here on my car, and then it just slides out. So out with the old, and then we're going to slide in our new one right back where the old one was. And just like that, it's in. And it fits perfect as expected. So yeah, now I just got to change the other one, which also is the same style. This is a great option and definitely a good quality product.